Good evening. My name is Ari Simmons. I go by Miss Ari. I'm going to tell you about my topic 4, which is concept of variables, which is big and little, big and shorting different type of items. Math is my weakest subject, but I will make sure it can be fun for my kids. So this activity has gives student knowledge about different sizes. Like say for if they have like teddy bears, show them for it either from different size, from big to large, or from colors, or show them by different colors. That's basically what my lesson is about. And also during this my lesson, it have different like vocabularies. So like interactive discourse, which means engaging conversation, principles and ideas related to different type of sizes. Open-ended question that asks for the kids a visual repetition, which is very important, but with different pictures and stuff. And and while also that engaging conversation that promotes active participation and downloads among students. You gotta make it more fun for the kids, especially if they're younger. I teach pre-K, so I gotta make it more fun and more interesting, or they would get tireless and restless, mainly bored. So the materials for this item has a folder. So they got two activity pages, one label big and one label little, and they also have corresponding visuals. So that's really good. Also requires laminating, have virtual sticks, so to the back easy, and they got labels. Definitely the labels. The front of the file, the tab of the folder, is Ziploc bags for storage. That's very important. So my goal is to describe the materials of this lesson from big or small. So say if I had like a giraffe, like one is small, and the other one is big, then I would ask for my students, for instance, okay, show me this size, or show me which items are big and small. Can you match the picture? So if they look at the picture, which is small and big, then they will find that giraffe, which is matches to the small one, and they could find the giraffe that's big to the big one. So like that. So that would help them memorize it. That would be more fun. Then you could probably do a little easy for like a little basic math, like you could sort them out. So if I have like 2 giraffe in one group, then I put another giraffe, and if I count it all together, which I do with my kids, I use it with the Unifix cubes. That's what we have. Then I say, if you can't do rather different Unifix cube or giraffe, just you do it by hand. So if I had like the giraffe, like 2 giraffe or one giraffe, then I just say to my kids, okay, do by finger like 2 plus 1. You count it all together, the 1, 2, 3. I think it's more easier for my kids to do it by hand than items still. So, and then this can be based on spring theme, so which is right now, which is spring. So it can be like birds, rabbit, chicks, butterflies, sheep, tulips, ladybugs, kites, and bees. So student will look at the image and sort them between big and small. So I would definitely do this with my kids because they would love something like this. So each file folder maintains and consistent designs with it. Provide predictable for student. It's easy for students to use independently, so they can definitely do this in small group. But I probably would do this in a large group first before I do it in a small group. And then once the time going, then I probably would do one-on-one. But I would definitely do it in a large group because most kids didn't like it. Well, it'd be more interesting in them to do it in a large group first before they can do it in a small group. And my goal for the section to outline how key students interact, academic language. My kids will love this, so I definitely want to make sure to do something like this. If another exact project could be something similar, I will definitely do it. So once again, my name is Ariel Simmons. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my video, and you have a blessed day.